complex mathematics should be. But I believe that there are three rules that will make no matter how complex this mathematics is, it become so easy. Now let's look at this now. For you to solve something like this, to form a quadratic equation, we know that the quadratic equation we're expecting should be something like this plus bx plus constant. That means we have the constant, which the constant should be a, b, c, and we are given something like this. Now, making it more easy is for you to follow a three rules in respective of how complex it is. We have to follow three rules, and the three rules is this. One, you need to understand the concept. The concept of having a quadratic equation, something like this. Now, this is the formula, right? To remember each time you are solving a quadratic equation. But because I understand the concept, that is the first rule. Because I understand the concept, so I can make this my own. Then I need to make it my own. Meaning, if I'm given this particular root of equation, we have minus 2 and plus 3. I can make this minus 2 and equations. Meaning, I can say that I can say x is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to plus 3. This is an equation now. So we have it as x plus 2 is equals to 0. And also x minus 3 is equals to 0. If you look at this now, when I multiply this to 0, this 0 multiplied by this 0, I will still end up giving me 0. It means if I multiply this expression, x plus 2 and x minus 3, I'm going to get 0. So therefore, I can say x plus 2 into bracket x minus 3. When I multiply them, I will be able to get 0. So opening this bracket, I'm going to have it something like x into bracket x minus 3 and also plus 2 into bracket x minus 3. That means I use this minus, this not else. I use this x to open this bracket and also use it plus 2 to open the bracket. And when I open this, I'm going to get x squared minus 3x plus 2x then minus 6 is equals to 0. Now, collect the other items, you are going to have it as x squared minus x minus c is equals to 0. We end up having our what? Quadratic equation where the a is 1, the b is minus 1, and our constant is minus 6. The concept is still understand the concept and make it yours. Now, the question now says that let f, g, h be the function on the set of a real number defined by f of x is 2x plus 1, g of x is x squared minus 3, and h of x is 3x minus 2. All we need to understand is the concept. We know that the concept here is that it is all about substitution. So therefore, how do we do this? We take the h to be the child and through the child of what? The g. And also all of these, they are the children of h of x. It's just like the child, the father, and the grandfather. Now let's take this example. Now we have our h of x. Our h of x is equals to 3x minus 2. And our g of x is equals to x squared minus 3. So all what we need to do here is to this particular g of x is seeing h of x as x. It's not seeing h of x as an it's just seeing h of x as what? X. Now let's take this example. Now we have g of x is equals to, we have our x here is 3x minus 2 squared, then minus 3. So when we square this, we're going to have 3x minus 2 into bracket 3x minus 2 minus what? 3. If you open the bracket, we have this as 9x squared, then we multiply this, we have this as minus 6x. Then we have this, we have minus 6x, then minus x minus, we have plus 4 minus 3. Now, on this we have 9x minus 6 minus 6, we are going to have minus 12x, then plus plus 1. Thank you. So this is what we have. Then this is our g of x. Then to f, f is seeing all of this man as x. And we know that our f of x is equals to, our f of x is equals to 2 into bracket is 2x plus 1. So we're going to substitute this into it. So we have it as 2, this x is all of this input, which is 9x minus 12x. Okay, remember we have this as x squared. 9x squared minus x plus 1. Then we have this plus 1. That means this is all 2. The x is the input. Well, what is the input? The f of x is seeing g of x as just x. And we have to put it here. Then we do what? We multiply. 2 times this, we are going to be 18x squared. Then this we have minus 24x. Then here we have plus 2, then minus plus 1. And when we take the f of g of h, finally is 18x squared minus 24x plus 3. Final answer. So please, the concepts, understand this. The concept is this. Understand the concepts. The concept is substitution. Then make it yours, just the way we make it us. That way we understand that this is just a father, a grandfather, a father, and a son. It's all about substitution. And h of x, g of x sees h of x as x. F of x sees g of x as x. Simple. So in our next class, that differentiation, the product rule and the chain rule.